how to run a malware scan on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you'll need to do is to right click on the start button and then choose run. And from here you want to type MRT and press OK. And this should open up the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Then you want to press next and you can choose full scan if you want to perform a full computer scan, or you can choose quick scan if you want to scan like areas that will mostly contain malicious software, and press next and wait for it to perform the quick scan and potentially detect any infected files. And once this is finished, it will basically take you through the process of removing those infected files if any files were found. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.